Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the SettleDown kitchen sink grid protector. This is stainless steel, 26 inches by 14 inches. And as you can see, it's about an inch deep. It's got several legs, about 8 of them. And they've got these rubber protectors on here to protect your sink from any scratches and make sure that this keeps your sink in perfect condition. It also comes with some extra rubber legs in case for some reason these get messed up. Additionally, this thing has a rear drain hole. So you basically just place this in your sink and you have this over the drain. It allows all the water to flow through nice and easily. Additionally, this thing works great for drying dishes. So you can put your dishes on here in the sink and it keeps them off the bottom of the sink. You can also go ahead and use this for thawing out meats, also like drying vegetables. This thing is great overall, high quality 304 stainless steel. So you're really getting your money's worth with this thing. I highly recommend this if you have a sink. Thanks for watching.